Create an amazing chicken Caesar salad using these ingredients.
Sizzle, serve, yum.
First up, you want to get a clean head of romaine lettuce. Then you want to go ahead and get some grape tomatoes. Dice up 2 garlic cloves. And if you don't have garlic cloves, that's okay. I've got this jar here of minced garlic that you can use in replace of that. You can go ahead and get that Lee and Perrin sauce, garlic crisp. You want to make sure you have some mayo. You can also use mozzarella and Parmesan cheese, a mix or an alternative cheese like what I've also used. And garlic powder is optional, salt and pepper, and lemon juice. First up, chop up your salad, add that to a bowl with your cheese. Add about 1/3 of a cup of that cheese to the salad and go ahead and grab at least 6 to 8 of these little tomatoes, half them, and add them to the salad. Then you're going to mix this all up. The whole purpose of mixing it up is to see how much volume you've got in this bowl. Put your salad to the side and start on those chicken breasts. I went ahead and I made sure my pan is nice and hot. I added a few spritzes of olive oil to get it popping. And look, this is what it looks like. I leave each chicken breast for about 4.5 minutes. I never leave them unattended because I don't want them to dry out. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is put half a cup of mayonnaise in a bowl or a measuring cup. Add those diced up garlic cloves to it. That's going to give it a nice kick, guys. And then go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of Lea and Perrin sauce and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now, you're going to want to mix this all up just to make sure it was even. I did it right now because I wanted to see if it would remain brown like this, but it came out to this beautiful cream color. Then I went ahead and I decided to add some more dry ingredients, and I use pink Himalayan salt. That's supposed to be great for blood pressure, guys. I added grounded black pepper, and then I went ahead and I added my garlic powder. For this one, I just eyeballed it, but I want to say I added about half a teaspoon and 1/3 of a cup of garlic Parmesan cheese. And look, delicious. It comes out lumpy like this. The texture is perfect. That is exactly how a Caesar salad dressing is supposed to look. All right. I go ahead and I cut up my chicken breast vertically. And the reason why I do this is in case I want to make something like fajitas, or maybe I want to make some other type of wrap. But for this, I don't know. I felt like maybe I want to also cut it a different way. I wanted to cube it up so that way I could see again how much volume I have available in my salad bowl and how much I truly need. So for this recipe, I really ended up using 2 chicken breasts instead of the 3 that you seen in that pan. And what's great is you can use the remaining chicken breast for the next day to make more wraps like this or additional wraps that we'll have in our series. So, yeah, you have extra chicken. All right, now you're going to compile everything together. You're going to put your chicken in the same bowl as your salad, and you are going to start mixing everything up. And then you're going to go ahead and grab that homemade Caesar dressing that you made, and you can add 1 teaspoon of that. But if you like a lot of sauce, add 2 teaspoons, and it's going to be like a nice thick Caesar salad. Now, I went ahead and I purchased this Mission Carb Balance. They're not a sponsor, but I really like their wraps. They're 5 carbs for this. And what I do is never add it to the middle, guys. Always add it to the side so your wrap does not unravel. I don't know if this ever happened to you. You're trying to wrap and everything falls out the wrap. I'm going to teach you how to keep it tight for your wrap. Found an amazing video, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing you're going to do is grab that edge and you're going to roll the ingredients tight. You're going to pack it in. But then, once you get a good tuck, you're going to roll each side in, and then you're going to tuck it again and you're going to roll it tight. You're going to roll it tight all the way. And then you're going to kind of give it a nice little pat so it could stay intact. So that's how you make your chicken Caesar salad wrap. Hope that you enjoyed this series. We're going to be having more series like this. And of course, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more future videos as we're not wrapping this series up just yet. Look at all that vegetable and meat. And of course, be sure to share with your friends and family and tell me below what is your favorite wrap. Hope you have an amazing day. And of course, we'll see you in the next video.